everyone, Tanya here. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less in retirement and everyday life. Today I want to share with you a haul. You guys know I just recently retired and I'm loving it so far, and I'm really just trying to manage my money like all of us are. So I allow myself $100 a month for groceries. And so there was a good sale at Lidl. So Lidl's been coming through for you, girl. You know, I was raised up in Ohio. I've been a Kroger girl all my life, but they've been like dealing with their app and trying to get these deals is just too complicated. And I'm about simplicity. Lidl's in Georgia. I'm not sure where else they are, but you know they're like an Aldi, but you know they're closer to me. So I like them because you know you check their ad, you see what's on sale, you run the app, and it takes it all off, and it's easy. Okay, so let me show you what I was able to purchase for under budget. At the end, I'll tell you how much I spent if I haven't already. I've done this, and I'm sorry if I'm looking kind of washed out. I have a lot of allergies from gardening. I have house plants. I think they're kind of like giving me a little reaction. So my physician, I went to the eye doctor, and they said, no, your eyes you just have allergies, so no makeup and stuff for a while. Okay, so we'll start over here. I love to make smoothies. So I had these for $1.49 each, these bags. $1.49. So you know, $3 for two of them. I got blueberries. I got two of each. That's my favorite. I don't like raspberries. Two of the mixed cut fruit. Two of the whole strawberries. I'm taking inventory so you guys can help me along. Pineapple chunks and two mango chunks. So this is 3, 6, 9, 12, $15. So I like it like this. I like the variety. You get a big bag nowadays, they're like almost $15. Okay, then they had, you know me, I'm not big on no dollar eggs, and I definitely don't do $2 eggs. These were $1.49, so I went on and got two because we're totally out. So has to be on budget. So it's under $2. Okay, you know I'm used to at Lidl. You could go. It was just like a couple of years ago. You can get eggs for like 57 cents. I'm not with all this, okay? I'm not with the dollar for the eggs because I don't like them that much. Okay, and then they had, okay, I'm gonna just do and everything I have is on sale. Okay, I have some, what is this? Ham steak. I started getting these when I was doing my $10 Thanksgiving challenges. You want some ham to fit in your budget, get you some ham steaks. This is what got me into the store. We were totally out of bacon, so these were $3.49 each. So I got two. Just got two. I'll need some flour tortillas. Not sure how much. These are like one something. They had chicken drumsticks for 99 cents per pound. So these were like $4. Let me see. How much did this chicken come up? The original price was $6.96. And let's see. Did he ring it up at all? Okay, so chicken, they knocked off $2.34, so it's about $4. $4 and something. And I'm not a big drumstick fan, but I like to use these. I'll put these in the pressure cooker or the Instant Pot, and then I like to take the meat off. They make good tacos or nachos. Because then I'll just, steam them, and then I'll use the stock. They're good for stock and making, little fajitas or whatever. Okay, then they had a 10 for 10 sale. You have to get 10 select items to get the dollar price. So I got 2 black beans. They also had green pigeon peas, and they had corn. I have enough corn. So I got black beans, 2 of those. Start getting my evaporated milk for the holidays. Got these for $1. And look at these big cans of stuff. Big cans of mandarin oranges for $1. These are 29 ounce. So I got 3 of those. 2 crushed tomatoes. These were $1. These were $1 each. And then this is 9 items. And then for my 10th item, I got some breadcrumbs. So you got all this for $1. Because I'll start making my meatloaf and stuff like that. All right. And then got some old-fashioned oats for $1.49. Okay, the decaf coffee pods, $2.49. So I got, it's 12 in a box, 2 boxes. I got 24 for $5, under $5. Got a few bananas. And I got some frozen already in my freezer for my smoothies. Got 2 heads of cabbage. These small avocados were like little over $2. They were on sale. And then these little baby potatoes were $1.99. And so, these are high carb potatoes. I don't eat them often at all. I've stopped eating pasta, rice, but it'll get to a point where I'll just like be so carb deprived, I'll start eating junk. So I'm going to incorporate a little bit into my diet. I've got this little taco sauce thing for 99 cents. Look how little that is. They used to have these twice the size for 99 cents. And I didn't go through the pizzas. They had pizza. Then you get 24 little mini bottles of water for $1.99. And the pizzas were 2 for $4. Self-rising. I got 2 Supreme. Me and this other lady, because she had another thing, and I said, have you seen these? You seen the ones for $2? 2 for $4? So she put all that stuff back, and she got these. So we got 2 Supremes, 2 pepperonis. This was $4, $8, and then I have this one is 4 cheese pizza. 4, 8, 12, $12. And what inspired me to get these were that the pizzas I've been getting, every now, at least once a month, I'll crave a pizza, and I ordered it. Papa John's always is pretty good. I went back to Domino's. It was good, but they're just not, the quality just isn't there. I worked, my first job was at Ponderosa. Then I went from Ponderosa and they hired me to work in this gourmet bistro in the mall. And we made pizzas, and I made pizzas, and people were like, is Tanya working today? So I'm kind of a pizza snob. And so I'm like, if that's all they putting out, and by the time you're done, you pay $20 for a pizza, that's all they putting out, I'm getting, this will last me a year. So, y'all just, and everybody just want to get a tip and all that stuff, and stuff is whack. Okay, I believe in tipping. these people made it convenient for me. They went and got my food, brought it to me and everything. And they're on a time crunch, but it's just not satisfied. Okay, so I got all of this. Got to find room for those pizzas. So as you'll see, if you can see my receipt, you see where everything was reduced. Because everything I got was on sale. So I spent, if you can see that, $77.86. Okay, so I'm under budget. So this will last us a good while. And I'm sharing this with you guys just to be, an encouragement and, just to, and so just to, just read the ads and see what they have on sale and then work your meals around that. And I know a lot of people, they're retired and they're rolling in dough. They have a lot of money. But me, I worked hard for 40 years and I'm enjoying myself. But, I want to get good quality stuff at a decent price. All right. And I want you guys to continue to live tastefully for less. And I took that other 20. So I was able, under my budget, I got groceries. And I topped off my tank in my car, so under $100. My car's full. As long as I'm eating, drinking, and driving, I can eat well, drink well, and have gas in my car. Under $100 for the whole month, I'm good. Okay? Because there's really nothing else I need. Okay, guys, thank you so much for taking time with me today, and just wanted us to keep working at living tastefully for less. All right? If you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. Okay. I wish y'all could help me put this stuff up.